This is our biggest conference in our history. We have had over 1,100 people walking through the doors, which is a higher number than last year in Abu Dhabi. In Oman, we want to take investor relations to the next level.
It's very important for us as a OQ group and also for the country. So this is a milestone for the country to be attracting such great investors and players in the market.
It's amazing. I think it exceeded my expectations. It's vibing since morning. People are having loads of discussion, and I think it was a great opportunity for us to learn a lot more about Oman, Omani market.
It's just the noise. I can feel the vibrancy and the excitement, which to me equates to conversations, building relations, and actually a thought process around how we go about improving investor relations in the Middle East. The whole of the Omani sort of capital market society seems to be here today, which we can't ask for better than that.
Oman is at a pivotal moment in terms of the evolution of the capital markets. There's a strong political will to ensure that the Omani market upgrades itself from frontier to emerging markets.
Having a strong investor relations is the key for developed markets, for markets that are attractive to international investors. MEIRA has been there since the beginning.
We understand that IR plays a major role in marketing and communicating with investors in the right manner, and we believe the value of the companies will increase by having the right IR practices.
In terms of feasibility and equity story, it's very important for the company if they are looking for new investors. If they don't have that, then nobody will look to their shares, whatever they are doing. For that reason, such a conference, it's add value for our investor relation, for our listed company, for our exchanges.
We feel that we have this responsibility towards the community and the fields that we work in. And we think that MEIRA is paving the road for us to make this role very important and to enhance and elevate the way that companies are working.
We had a really great panel session, having wonderful people on the panel discussing the latest trends of AI in investor relation.
It's a brainstorming sessions. You get to learn. Every time we leave here, we get new ideas, we improve, and takes us one step forward to becoming better in terms of our offering.
We have 100 investors that have attended, and they've been given access to 50 corporates, predominantly the Omani corporates, the OQ corporates, and so forth. And so if you can imagine 100 investors and 50 corporates, there's been approximately 500 to 600 meetings.
We had more than 5 meetings. In each meeting, we had more than 5 investors. There were really good meetings with the investors.
I hope to meet more people, so more companies, and we're having one-on-one sessions with the many interested companies that want to see us.
Now is the time to anticipate the challenges ahead and shape the future of our profession.
It's up to the region and it's up to the corporates, with the MEIRA members, to take investor relations even more seriously, to enable the markets to get to emerging markets, developed markets, and take the region to the next level.
This event has been one of the biggest events in a meaningful way. So it's not only just full of people, it was full of people that you want to network with, you want to talk to, and you want to do business with. If you are in capital markets in the MENA region, GCC region, you need to be in this conference.